If you take your 6,800 like a batty blood clot by batty man blood clot dead. The careless. You act so nice. There's a lot of mothers out there suffering. We never take the 6,000 like a triple. We never give Ivany. Ivany have ice. You careless. You careless. And I cure him company and get the help. He would even tone down. Cause that him say me I use TikTok money buy gun give checks why them can't pay film rent. I'm more for make Tikki know. So Tikki said me Rosealee I use TikTok money buy gun give checks. Your mama alive long time. From the first time you talk about Shanchan and Barbar.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, these border crossers is causing a whole lot of trouble. People putting on the comment section when they think about that. Because, you know, I only keep up with a few of them. You know what I mean? But, you know, I follow a few T-listers and I take in Rosealee live from time to time. And where I hear say, you know, such a man is throwing out all type of wild allegations. Yeah. And she have to come defend herself. You see, man, I say whole bunch of things. Because, you know, homegirl is trying to move and go into the mansion and things. You see, man, I say, got no privacy. Yeah, so let's hear what going for. Let's go on and proceed with the next.
If you take your 6,800 like a batty blood clot by batty man blood clot dead. The careless. You act so nice. There's a lot of mothers out there suffering. We never take the 6,000 like a triple. We never give Ivany. Ivany have ice. You careless. You careless. And I cure him company and get the help. He would even tone down. Chat knows if me I get help. If me I get help certain way upon the net, my behavior has to change. You mean by what question? My behavior have to change? Yeah. Cause enough time when you see me on my mouth. She sell yam. She actually come from she sell yam. Go look na coronation mark, go look if you see the woman there for me. And I should land so. In here the sauce we are circular. The whole armor fly. So don't come on the internet come talk about oh me I buy this and me I buy that. Me I buy this and me I buy that. Me I tell you the honest truth. I'm not even come talk it neither. Me just do it quietly. Me just get your mother info quietly and I'm leak out. So don't get this thing twisted, look boy. Cause remember, you still left people here. And they had lip and a chat. You know, just love chat. You just love lip. If me I buy my man gun, your mama half dead. Are you class my pity them? You class my pity them? You class my pity them, you have to ball. No tell me no OMG. No write it. I tell the internet say me I buy this. So if me I buy this, all of you class me. I am mama sell a market. All of you class me, mama sell a market. Eh? That makes sense. Yeah, all of you class me, mama they sell a market. Anyone want put it at that, me say. Cause that him say me I use TikTok money buy gun give checks why them can't pay film rent. I'm more for make Tikki know. So Tikki said me Rosealee I use TikTok money buy gun give checks. Your mama alive long time. From the first time you talk about Shanchan and Barbar, for you there Jamaica she a cry. Or Me set up you first. Me call you first. Me send you my money for meet you. And set up you first. And then me go for she. And who decide I get it to? Cause some pre-evil. I saw me pre-evil and think some type of way. Nobody now stand for you, look a boy. If me did I buy a gun, give my man. So just watch what you say. Cause so much someone feel like someone make the gun talk is a play talk. But could I buy a gun, give my man, and someone on the internet a blood clot disrespect me. But could I have wanted man run me and someone would come here and disrespect me at Jamaica. No look a bit not hard to find someone who sick in our head, you know. I'm not even talk out of my mouth chat because what? But most of me just run a program for the man and the argument done. Yeah? A life me a pray and things. A upliftment. Some more when them class me and I class all my youth, them I don't know them. But just make it stand. I left it. No, I'm not running a joke. Don't me fear buy gonna your class all my penny them. Your mama can't sell a market. As a mama put out her loads of pow. One in her blood clot head, she just flat out. Oh. Never get up back again. Come back, you this the program. You this I'm youth them, I'm youth them. You this the program. So you know it's an internet beef, I'm not love lip, but me I tell you no, cause you like chat. Don't put me and you in a category. You said the people have to pay your rent. Me and nobody never signed the agreement there, yes, so. Me and no gifters never signed no agreement for rent. That's why I'm come and take what me get. Me no in no pressure, and that's why me not sure out my life. So mix and mingle, they ask mix and mingle. If mix and mingle come and shout when me in a match. Ask mix and mingle if him never see me share my life in him inbox. I don't pest my gifters. I only follow them. And I only beg them when them come here. Yeah. I don't see Chevy there. See Chevy there. You can't always call Chevy and beg Chevy. When me want a credit, me can't say Chevy send me some credit. Chevy beg 1 2 bits. Chevy beg 1 3 bits. Chevy beg out. See Chevy there. They have Chevy number on my phone. I never call. The only time I will call Chevy, I ever text Chevy. If Chevy text me or she call me, I call her back. If she text me, we text her back. See, Pepper there. Sometimes we put up, for my status need some credit, and people will say, boy, how much I want, gally? I'm say, Papa, send me some credit. She said, she just a lie. Never. You don't pest people. If you come here, I say, Barbie, want, Make a look away, no gally, you have it. You're in a gifters phone, you pest them, you text them down. I want them come on the live and I tell them, say, stop. Remember, say, I foreign live. People who are asleep, for God, them work or call police, yeah, disturb them in them sleep. Nobody can talk to you. And you deal with the moderator them like shit. Anyone that Tikki moderator them come up, me want them get blocked. No, over here. Stay over Tikki. Cause me now support you with money and you come disrespect me. I can't talk to you. Yeah. I can't talk to you. What are them depend? Oh! And Trevor use him and Trev never want him from the get. Oh, and we all know that. So when they eat that girl, I'm going to talk about, oh, Trev no want him. Trev no want you. Him very loud in the apartment and people is sleeping. And if I tell him stop, if I'm allowed to tell him, say, tone down with the nice, him class, them dog rotten. And them have to just sit down and take it. If you have no respect, for people, at least respect who I put money in your pocket. If you have no respect at least who I put money in your pocket. Respect at least who I give you. Respect the people where I come give you. You can't bother? I can't bother. Alright, good old. Let me mute a little bit there. Because what? Trev, Trev must take every blood. I don't blame Trev. And I told Trev them like, I told Trev them like lip. And the first time I called Trev, I said, Trev, you where you do? Sit down and work, Tikki and milk him. As him get the money upon the life, you hug him up and say, babes, there's so much you make. But here what? It's when you don't like somebody, it's hard for your stomach them. Trevor Gemini, I'm going to tell you about Gemini. So when Gemini will lock them here and grind you, it's hard for your stomach you half of the grind. It's like, what's up come without him while you touch me? It's hard for Trev stomach him as a Gemini. It's hard for him do it. Him can't do it, him can't stomach him. I don't ask that time, I tell you, it's hard for him stomach him. If him do stomach him and grind him, it's not going to be no whole heap of time. He will take him money. Trevor wicked, then Trev the whole gun and take it. From Trev moving at the place, June are there. And that make Tikki upset. Because someone will follow up the story, you know. But someone will not catch the lingua. From Tikki moving at the place, June are there, Tikki upset. Because from a movie, I can't get a long time with your Junior always blood clot there. No privacy, no none. Because Trev not really want you. That's why Trev said, Junior said, Trev, you can stay as long as you want. You don't have to go home. And you come now. I mean, take out of the blood clot, set you where you're sleeping now. You know, so when Trevor moved, Trevor bought every blood clotting we need also requirement. But that's supposed to show you the boy did a plan long time to move. Trevor have all house equipment in a storage where he pay for. So the boy they don't have him head pan anybody say until you get a chance to get a house to move, I will. All Trev need to do is stop provoke you, sit down with you and milk you. Trev nah play smart. In other game of Trev, him nah play smart. Trev just go and milk you. Trev just allow you make not argue with you. Love it double you. Pretend. You even want troops by your mouth. If I even that, pretend. But it's hard for him to do it because I'm not want you, so him got scan you. It's hard for him to do it. Some people them are do it, you know. So when they rent to pay, you have to pay it. Yeah. Yeah. Me a kiss up your mouth because I not pay the rent. Me a make you meet the internet, and when I don't meet the internet, I'm going to the gifters them head and them pocket. And I'm sorry for you. You are pay the rent. Rent you are pay it. Rent you are pay it. Babes, me say, boy, babes, you know, so I'm not getting on pan. Babes, you know, so I'm not getting on pan the internet today. Babes, you know, so I don't get on the internet this week. I don't have the money, you know. And the rent you. My mother don't have the money, you know. How much you have? How far you reach pan the rent? You know, so me have $2,000. Alright, Tikki. Because remember, say, him cash out Tikki money. Tikki say $2 grand the right, so alright. You have 2.5, alright. Me go, as the 2.5 reach, remember, Tikki, keep on making us a Tikki, remember, we have to save for the rent. We have to save for the rent. We have to save for the rent. Tikki, remember, we have to save for the rent. As I reach the 2.6, I pay it. Before even the month, the rent time come, you send the deposit. When I ask the money, Tikki, you know, somebody pay the rent with the money, come and never have it be able to make it one, so I love it of him back. That's it, but him can't stomach him. Can't. The fallout with them is that them depend the live. And mother say, kiss Tikki. Tikki kiss Trev. Trev asleep. Trev make you wake up and go into the blood clot. Trev make you get up. And go to the kitchen sink, go wash your hand. Was it sad I'm own fault? You have your friend them around your class, the same set a batty boy with your class and class them and tell them to them him them every time you Trev in an argument, your class them for Trev, you know. Show how dumb you be.
As usual, people, you know, I don't be buying these T-lister stories. You see me, I say. But you know, a whole heap of money I make. So it is what it is at the end of the day. These things reach me DM and we have to put them out there. You see me, I say. Yeah, but we're not going to long out this no longer. You sight. Bless.